Yeah, had to go right to AutoZone. Have fun. Thanks. Yeah, it's got to wait a few minutes to let this dry. The gasket maker, then I can put some water in it.
But don't wait too late to give me a call.
For what?
Alright, we should be good.
You gonna go buy me some antifreeze?
We got water for now.
No, I got water. But
There's a little bit of antifreeze left.
I got that on there, so.
9 o'clock, we still got
Yeah. Where'd the other one go?
Other one what?
Old one.
Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Alright,
Alright,
thank
thanks.
you.
You're welcome. Y'all be safe.
Oh
You
yeah.
too. Try.
Have fun. No, I'm off. He's got court tomorrow afternoon. And then Tuesday I gotta take Aiden to Tampa for his doctor's appointment.
Yeah, right there, pinhole.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. My big drug conviction, possession. Yeah, pinhole right there. Got somewhat zoomed in. Yeah. Try to turn up the brightness.
Because now they're here too, so they can have the extra person at night. They have to now. That's what it's going to take unless we get robbed.
Like, if somebody come in on me, unless they got a gun, I'm
But,
not laughing.
yay.
Look
Fixed.
at my face.
About to get out of here as soon as that dries. It's a little tacky still. So, but it only took an hour or so. I barely got the freaking AutoZone on time. I forgot they closed at 8 o'clock today. So, yay. The Dodge. The Dodge is being really fun right now. So, today's been really hot outside. It's 160 degrees. Florida is being really hot this last week. It's actually 91 degrees on the phone app. But in the wife's Dodge, and freaking I got the key on. So this is a fun. My wife shares a bunch of rubber bands and a cleaner truck. Bunch of the backup cameras down there. I need to put it on a mount. I'll put right here. But right now it's being really fun. I got the key over and the window won't go up or down. It's really aggravating me. All the other windows worked. I gotta figure out what got on that window too and get it off. And the bad thing is there's window tint. So, but leg somewhat healing. Still hurts like hell. See how high it is? I'm almost done working on. I'll be going to the junkyard to see even that window works. Even the window that I had to put that new motor in. Still gotta clean the tape off of it. I got some rubbing alcohol down there on the floorboard now. But this window is being a pain in my butt. So I'm out here in this hot sun with a pair of needle nose. Trying to find my knife and freaking see what's wrong with that window. Oh, wrong knife. And I need a pair of flush cut. So I even roll down the window when I didn't need to. I don't really want to take this door panel off. My wife has to be working like 10 minutes. She's rushing to go to work. It's 2:25. So yeah, she has to be working 3. Trying to figure out why either the motor went bad or the switch went bad. I don't have time to take this dang door panel off. So I guess she's gonna have to go to work. I need to do the A-pillar pod, 5 this whole A-pillar. Redo the ceiling. It's her, excuse me. It's her baby. We've had this truck for 2 years. I traded my Dodge Ram 1599 for this truck 2 years ago when we had to get a bigger truck because my turn around. So I'll turn the camera around. But yeah, leg's been hurting so bad lately. I'm trying to walk on it more. Doctor told me I could start walking on it and putting pressure on it. And so I've been doing that for my last doctor's appointment was about 3 weeks ago. And I gotta go back in about another 4 weeks. So hopefully, he said I can return to work whenever my leg heals enough. But I tried to walk on my cane right there, and it's bent a little bit on the legs, and it's really unstable to walk. So I'm still using my crutches, and my phone just, the timeline on my phone just blinked, so I think it's gonna run out of film. Back in the ancient days of cameras, huh? It's gonna run out of film. But yeah, it's freaking trying to work on this truck. Then I'm having a problem with the door locks on that truck, on the one the plastic. But alright, I deleted a bunch of old videos of me working on the van, on my uncle's van. So yeah, the door lock, one of the plastic pieces on the Avalanche, freaking the door lock piece broke. So I gotta go to LKQ tomorrow, get a piece for the van, get something for the Durango, and get stuff for the Avalanche. So I'll be going to LKQ to get try to get some shocks for the back hatch here because they're really bad, and that door is really, really heavy. My wife can barely pick it up. I have trouble with my broken leg because I can't put that much pressure on it. So I need some shocks. Let me shave again. Last time I shaved when I went to court the other day, which turned out okay. A little $400 fine. But I just can't wait until my leg heals. Get back to working. Get back to doing something. It's killing me. And my mom's husband just walked out. He's going to think I'm weird talking on the phone. Talking to the phone. But hopefully I can get back to working. Build that truck up a little bit. Show some work in that. And get this Durango cleaned up for my wife. I start doing the inside work and start fixing the motor up a little bit. Get that tire camber readjusted. So I haven't had time to do that. I did put those little brake caliper grommets in the other day when I did the oil change. So getting some work done and needing to do a lot more. I really need to start getting out here, outside. My leg stops hurting so much, and be able to, yeah, I got a piece of candy in my mouth from my stomach throwing up. Got a piece of peppermint, so been a little lifesaver. I've been having messed up stomach feeling since the accident, so it's been really fun. And trying to is it recording? I can barely see it. Yes. Man, I'm out here in my favorite place to be. I'm looking at this avalanche here for some parts I need for the door lock. So, but damn, I love being here. This place goes for miles. There's places all over there. Fun, fun, fun. Out here in this hot sun. I'm gonna get a video of me leaving my happy place. See, some vehicles all the way over there. Vehicles all the way over there. Vehicles miles away. Leaving a happy place. Time to go home. Out of this heat. Yeah. I'm about to try to work on that door handle. Right down there. And guess what? It is about to rain. And my wife just left for work. You know, the rain go. And I got the part down there to fix that van. And right now I want to try to get this dang door handle fixed. And let the rain. So let's see how far we go. Now I gotta get up. Little leg hurts. But yeah, I gotta take this latch off. These are actually star bits. I can't find mine. Star bits that are that small, so I'm using a slightly smaller Allen bit. It's not tearing it up. I'm being careful, but I'm trying to be able to stand on pretty much one leg down there. Make it real difficult, but I'm watching crackheads across the street because being kind of nervous that with this truck being unlocked for so long. Got tools and shit in here and worry about it. Now they're arguing. That big ass black dude. Okay. So after a minute, I got the lock mechanism. I didn't cut my damn nail, but yeah, I got the lock mechanism off, and with a couple other little tools. And this is the one of the pieces I got from the junkyard for this one, for my truck, and it just clips into there. Of course, it's gonna be fun doing it with one hand. Yep, there it goes. So, oh no, then push it all the way. There it goes, clipped. So, I'll be able to put the latch handle back on. Oh, that time went off. Car just hit me in the back. And when the truck was unlocked, it freaking, I tried to use a Slim Jim, then Slim Jim to go through the door trim right there. And apparently I cut one of the wires for the lock mechanism. So I'll have to tape that up. Wish I had some solder, but I guess that'll be another day. But I'll have to splice into it and tape it up. Yeah, I'm open piece candy. But yeah, I'll be able to connect the latch cable, have the electrical, replace the on the door latch handle part. Should be good. Be able to put it back in there, and I gotta put the spring back in the door handle, get some new tires, and still freaking thundering. And see, there's clouds. It's like that all the way around over there. Sound like somebody was tearing down a trailer back there. So yeah, at least getting some work done on bum leg. But having fun. Roasting in this 104-degree weather. Yay, life's great. Thanks to all the YouTubers I watch. Tall Guy and CJ on 32s and Life with Corey and Hunting Badger, and I'll be making a full video of all the ones I do watch and want to support, and want to make the decal stickers along the side for now until I paint it. Then I'll have another idea. So from Broke Lake, we out.